Hey, buddy.
Hey, man, what the hell?
What?
Hey, pretty damn late.
Oh, come on. I'm not that late.
Hey, you're late.
What got you so down, man? I don't understand.
Oh, no, man. It's another year, like, Fresh and Baked Teas, number 2. You know, come get customized. Hey, let's watch this out again. Like, I can't stand being number 2.
Well, think of all the great things that come in twos, though, man, or with the number 2, you know? You got 2 big bay windows in our fine store here.
Sunlight.
You know what I mean? You got double rainbow, so intense.
It's pretty vivid.
Right? You got double mint gum.
I enjoy chewing.
You got 2 wheels on your bike when you bike down to freshly baked teas.
Wheels.
I don't understand. What's the big, you know?
It's number 2, you know? It's, you know, we're a great print shop. You know?
Yeah.
Come get customized, get your shirt embellished.
Ooh, come to Young Street and embellish your shirt.
Fresh and Baked, get them printed. But yet, we're number 2. You know, like, I just, two. I can't stand being number 2.
So, would you rather be number 3?
Well, is there a number 3 t-shirt shop?
No.